Hello everyone, so today I'll be showing you on how to use the text-to-speech feature on TikTok. First of all, choose the video where you want this feature on, press on next, and go ahead and type the text you want. Now remember, the text length can be short or long according to your video. After you have typed in your text, press on the text itself and then choose text to speech, which is on the top.
Hello guys, I am traveling today.
This is how you can use the feature. Now you can also get creative and use fun little text and make it more interesting. I find this feature on TikTok to be very useful, as you can use this feature to narrate longer vlogs as well as shorter clips. And it is also very easy to use and understand as well. So I hope you guys try it for yourself and have fun.